If you don't know yet, your Samsung Galaxy A55 5G phone model has a feature known as dual audio mode, which is most likely found only on flagship Samsung phones. So in order to enable this feature here, go ahead and pair up two Bluetooth speakers or two Bluetooth earphones. And you want to go into the Bluetooth settings here, long press it, and simply just make sure you have your two Bluetooth devices connected. So I'll go ahead and quickly reconnect mine. All right. And I'll also go ahead and connect my second speaker. Okay. Now, once you have them both connected, you should see them both like this in that color saying it's connected. The next step is to activate the dual audio mode. And in order to do this is you'll go here, you'll see media output. If you don't see this here, bring this down a second time, tap on the settings. And once here, go right this part here, device control media output. Tap on that once, make sure this is selected, come back, bring it down again. Now go to media output. And once in this section here, you'll notice the two speaker names here. Here is where you can activate dual audio mode by selecting the second one and allowing both speakers to play together at the same time. Now, when I press play here, okay, you'll hear the sound coming out from both speakers. And in order to control the both of them, you can go back here to the media output section, or simply while you're controlling the volumes here, you'll see that you can control both speakers on the volume control panel section here. All right, so if you learned something new on your Galaxy A55 5G phone, like and sub.